What is a panic attack? Could they be a sign of a bigger problem? Many of us are familiar with the phrase panic attack. At the same time, many of us are not entirely sure what they are and what causes them. The physical symptoms of a panic attack are caused by a response from the body's sympathetic nervous system. These symptoms are most commonly chest pain, shortness of breath, hot flashes, and dizziness, among others. They are often mistaken for a heart attack by the sufferer, especially if the person is experiencing their first episode. In the event you're dealing with a panic-related issue, the good news is you're certainly not alone. Panic attacks are probably much more common than people realize. During a panic attack, the individual may feel as though he or she is losing control. The person may also feel a sense of impending doom or begin to feel detached either from themselves or from reality as a whole. While panic attacks are sometimes very severe, they tend to peak at around 10 to 20 minutes, with many of the symptoms fading within the hour. Oftentimes, the reason for the panic attack's occurrence is unclear even to the sufferer. Panic attacks such as this may be a one-time thing or something that happens on very rare occasions. But recurring cases of panic attacks could point to the sufferer having a panic disorder. While there are a number of factors that can contribute to a panic attack, the exact causes are unknown. Panic attacks can sometimes be caused by major changes or stressful situations in life, such as a new job or the loss of a family member. Panic attacks can be confusing and scary, especially while they are occurring. But knowing a bit about them is the first step to helping yourself to get through them. Other things that you can do are to work on breathing techniques and cut down on caffeine and smoking. When the body doesn't get enough vitamin B12, some say you are more susceptible to panic attacks and depression in general. Reversing a B12 deficiency is quite simple. You can use a doctor-prescribed nasal spray or get an injection. If you're not fond of needles, why not consume your vitamin B12? It's found in a variety of foods such as grass-fed beef liver, yogurt, shrimp, venison, eggs, wild salmon and lamb. Let the dinner bell ring. Dietary omega-3 supplements are popular as part of almost any supplement routine. Omega-3 has anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it good for heart health. It's also been shown to reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression. So, it's a suitable way to help in the fight against panic attacks. Now that you're armed with several ways you can attempt to stop panic attacks naturally, it's time to begin making progress. If one suggestion doesn't work, simply move on to the next one. It won't happen overnight. But with patience, you should start to notice a difference.